Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.
Menteri Rang Ba Kejala Conrad ke sangma doong wa chngaañ wa Wyrta mon ke wa khmat do ye gu chong chnong kala pangap hala am kam ge lai a yo ku ba bar thung ki liang wa bon na ka chnong kala pangap ha po iya khmat u he chnong anin ke sngi de kerpat ge sarkar wa pun pun cho ye ge pulit ha kata ka chnong wa em ha kap pot wa ga waskar bi anglong khnang yo ye gu a yo ku ba na ge hali hawa klam ne ke sngi Conrad doong wa ki ya khmat chnong kala pangap de kerpat ki yo ila ru a khba tangwa re da wa em kan at kam te chngaañ wa Wyrta man go go em kamare dong wa wat hawa ka sarkar pen biang ki bor plit wa Wyrta tangwa ikan at hakap wat emi wa ini to wa ka sarkar me kliam em tuklar ko tangwa ka sarkar kwa go mi iwani ja warap he cho hakata ka tain wa de penti wa nin gisngi de kan tu ki wa chong chnong wa Kiar wa yai cha ki hakam ini ipor ai jo ipor dong wom poi prakhat wa kam ini uja ya kap pot haperdi wa ya klam yang woro ar liang nang mi soi tangwa sendet de mi ya kerja wom poi prakhat dong wa nai liang ki polit ka me klia wa ki polit ka asam de phala ki wa hawadang emi ya klam ha priyong ki de jai kan at warap changai na ita wa em ki pet ba Menteri Rang Ba dong wa kam gini ki por mon wa pen he cho ye wajia wa de kan tu wa Kiar chwa ka te na ki wan ki kam ha ka ta ka thain wa o ela chwa wa chong sut chong sain wan biang i wa yo thot lat wa pen ba ye e Conrad bentuk ule wa nai liang go chong chnong kala pangap de kan tu gi ka sarkar wa ye klam gi bor sanchar ka asam ya i wa ka sarkar dang le ka te wo thot lat
delegation that met me yesterday from Lapang, they had requested that the harvesting be allowed, and we had discussed in detail with them, saying that the issue is very simple, that there is a lot of tension in that area, and though the harvesting is of course very important for the farmers and the public there, but safety and security is our utmost concern. And even though we may be able to provide sufficient manpower, but these kind of incidents are something that cannot be 100%, are not completely under our control, and hence we would not want any kind of unfortunate incident to happen out there, which would only escalate the overall tension in that area. And hence, to avoid any kind of unfortunate situation, we have urged the villagers that we must restrain at this point in time. We must be patient. Situation was not expected to go in this direction. There was a lot of positive dialogue going on between the different stakeholders, and we had expected that we'll be able to peacefully move forward. But unfortunately, this unfortunate incident took place. And this, as I said, was something that even the Assam police and Meghalaya police both were equally surprised, where the discussions were taking place and some sort of tension was there. This incident took place completely away from where the people had gathered. So we are still trying to understand under what circumstances this happened. But while that is happening, this may not be a good time to instigate things any further. We would appeal that we should restrain and allow peace to come in. We are engaging with different stakeholders to see if we can find a way to resolve this issue and work on it. But till then, it will be advisable that we should not go ahead with any activity that could lead to any kind of further tension in that particular area. And after sharing that with them, the people were still keen, and they urged us to speak to our counterparts and other leaders across the border and in our neighboring state, and see if we can find a way, which, as I said, we are pursuing. We are trying our best, and different officials, political leadership, and administration is working at different levels to try and achieve that.
So, but it's harvest season, so how will the government ensure that the farmer able to afford?
Exactly. It's a very difficult situation. We cannot guarantee that right now. As I said, we are trying to talk, but only if we get a positive response from across that let's try to, get over this phase and at least allow the people to harvest. Only when we have a mutual agreement will we be able to move forward. Till then, as I said, though the harvesting is absolutely very crucial for our people, but as I said, the lives and the safety and security is of paramount importance to us.
So the harvesting is to GHD